We're Family Care Trust. We are a charity and registered company based in Solihull in the West Midlands. At our main site, Nuland Bishop Farm, we provide work-based learning for adults with learning disabilities. We have about 130 on our books, around 100 every day attending the farm. As part of our learning, we do talk about sustainability and animal care and horticulture a lot. Obviously, we're an operational farm. The heart of our message to all our project workers is we need to be sustainable, we need to know how to live off the land, and that's also good for your own home. Our growth and expansion as a charity has gone pretty much in line with rising energy costs. Recently, we've increased our capacity by about 30% in terms of people we have on site every day. So if you couple that with energy costs, all of a sudden, we're using a lot more energy, it's costing us a lot more daily. So that's been a real struggle to make sure we're very stable in an uncertain time. So we were recommended to the decarbonisation net zero programme by a contact in local government who we have quite close ties with. When our energy advisor came to visit us, we weren't really sure what to expect, but it was actually super easy. They came, they weren't disruptive at all. We just had a small chat and then a little walk around all the key areas of the farm which might be affected by the measures that we were going to talk about. So the energy assessment revealed the scale of measures that we could implement. We were recommended two different measures, one to do with the heating system and the solar panels. We did choose the solar panels and we might pursue heating measures at a later date. We're expecting a huge kickback which could save us over £1 million over the next 20 years, and we weren't quite sure of the extent of that before our meeting. For the whole installation of 192 solar panels on the roof of our building, it cost just under £80,000. We were match funded half of that, which came to £38,800 from the grants programme. The grant application process was very easy and, in my experience, quite quick. We felt very supported by Aston University. They were very helpful and quick to respond to all queries and emails. And whenever they needed something from us, they were very understanding of our requirements. So, great process.